Hey, what's up guys? Today is day number 2 here in Cabo. Stay tuned. Let's go have fun. Oh, good morning. Welcome to Imperial TV again. Last night was one of those nights where you black out, but you wake up the next morning without any regrets. Just a little hangover. But I'm still going. So on top of like straight almost 36 hours of no sleep and then only sleep for 2 hours. I don't know, how am I still going? We'll probably be taking that boat in a little bit. And let's go to check out the rest of this place. Shall we? Let's go. Hey, what do you think? Good? You like my new bow tie? Fucking badass, right? Bling, 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 bling! Alright, let's go. We're gonna get on the boat. Ciao.
Finally.
We made it! Let's go! I look like an alcoholic, but I'm not. I'm just promoting, alright?
Kind of.
Oh, mi amigo, Fireball, desde Alexander, para el mundo entero y especialmente para mis amigos de Imperial TV YouTube.
I feel like I become a Mexican now. That's awesome. Up your lifestyle, baby. This is amazing. We're living life at its fullest. Pretty badass. We're blessed, thank God.
Welcome to Imperial TV!
Hey, oh, I'm not an alcoholic. I'm just representing. Cheers, guys. We were blessed, man. Like, we work hard so much that why not go out, enjoy your life, enjoy your time, and just slip away. Just slip away for at least a day or two. Maybe once a week or two, or maybe once a month or two. And it works. For me, it's stress killer. I would work like maybe 24 hours every day. It's like, it's time to, you know, reward yourself. This is rewarding. You wanna know something so cool? What's motivating is actually you not worrying about what people say, like especially haters and all those guys that look at you and be like, oh, we can do better. Oh, he probably got this, he probably got that just to get this and just to get that. Like, don't let that fucking affect you. Let that be the feed. Let this like feed your strength and ego to where you want to be better and better. Like, let it improve you. Feed off of hate. Hey, ain't bad though. I drink it like Gatorade. It makes me more motivated. I'm a hungry fucking beast. Fucking love life. Move me! This episode is brought to you by Boo. You better hustle from fucking coffee to champagne and rock the fuck on. That's my Halloween custom. Something different, right? Why not? I'm laughing at myself right now. I think it's funny though, right? I don't know how I came up with it, but it's cool. Hold on, hold on,
True Arab fuckboy.
So we are at the Cape by Thompson's Hotels. The same hotel as the ones in Tulum, pretty much. Pretty badass place. And then we're gonna come. We're about to go eat dinner over here, man. So much talent. So much talent. I'm loving this place. I love this place. Hey, it's Sunday Fun Day. We're still here in Cabo, but we're going back to Houston today. We're blessed to say that we had an amazing weekend. Thank you for everyone here in Cabo for making this place a badass place and making my stay a wonderful stay. And thanks to all my friends and families. Please subscribe. IMPERIAL TV, and have a blessed Sunday. Ciao. See you in Houston.